I'm Anil Kumar, sharing with you different strategies to solve questions on limits. Now here we need to evaluate limit when x approaches 2 for 1 over 2 minus 1 over x divided by 2 minus x. Now here you will realize that if you substitute x equals to 2, what do you get? You get 1 over 2 minus 1 over 2 over 2 minus 2, and that is the form 0 over 0. So whenever we have 0 over 0, we need to simplify to get rid of common factor. So the strategy here is to simplify. Now sometimes to simplify we may adopt techniques like factoring, substitution, or rationalization. In such examples, this is actually just simplify. Let's see how, right? So I'll rewrite this question as limit x approaches 2. In the numerator, let's take common denominator, which is 2x, right? So we get x minus 2 in the numerator, and we have 2 minus x here in the denominator, right? So this step is clear to you. We took common denominator of 2x. To make it 2x, we multiplied by x, both the terms. We got x here, and in this case multiplied by 2 to get 2 there, right? You would always write this as limit x approaches 2. We have x minus 2. 2x comes here in the denominator. 2 minus x. Is it okay? Now, x minus 2 and 2 minus x is kind of similar to, I'm adding a step here just to make it absolutely clear. I could write numerator as minus of 2 minus x. Do you see that? Over 2x times 2 minus x, right? So I added this step just to make it absolutely clear. It was not required. You could at times just cancel and write minus 1, right? So now we can cancel. We get minus here, correct? So we could write this as limit x approaches 2 of minus 1 over 2x. Is it okay? Now we can substitute 2, right? So if I substitute 2, I get 2 times 2 in the denominator minus 1 over 4 is the limit, right? So the limit of this function is minus 1 over 4 when x approaches 2, right? So that is how we can solve such questions by simplifying. I'm Anil Kumar, and I hope you appreciate it. You can always share and subscribe to my videos. Thank you, and all the best.